Samsung internal storage is full. Let's see how to clean. He said, "No, you had what had five. Now go to the settings. Then device care. My internal storage is about 98% full. And let's see how to clean. Recycle bin. Unused apps. Duplicate file. Large file. Now go to the duplicate file. And select all. And delete. Then go to unused apps. Now select and delete unused apps from your mobile. Now go to the large file. Now delete unnecessary files. Now go to recycle bin. Now select all and delete. This way you can clear your internal storage. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe.